How you doing anyway? Hope you're all good. What's going on? Welcome back to part 2 of this Sora mess. Now, if you was watching the other video, welcome. And if you're new, hi, I'm Gaz. This is my garage. This is where we do all our own work and we just tat and get stuff done. This is the Toyota Sora. It was overheating on the last drift day. Temperatures were getting hot, wasn't a fan. So I decided, let's put a radiator in. We've got a Jap speed radiator. And I rebuilt the clutch fan. It's like you're going, yeah, but you're thick. So I'm going to take this apart and see if it can be fixed, or not even fixed, just serviced, because I have no idea. Seriously, no idea. I watched one video, and I'm a pro. I'm going to take the fan off and then we're going to try and split it and see what happens. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. See if it comes apart. Hopefully it don't break. Any scrap mush. Nah, mate. So I'm going to take these 4 off first. Now listen, don't try this at home till we have confirmation it even works, because I don't even know if it works. Josh said it should be alright, but he doesn't know what he's on about either. Oh, okay, now I need to get a posi screwdriver to try and undo these, and I presume this is where the oil leaks everywhere, so we need a bucket. Think smart. PD3, I think. This is going to round off, isn't it? Oh! Oh! It's a winner, that is, my mate.
This is a new age wheeler dealers issue.
You just put yourself Toyota Sora. See, I'm worried about this spring doing something, I'll be honest. I think it's there. Ooh. I don't know what to do here. I presume it just opens. Let me get a pen and mark it up so we put it back on the right place here. So we know them to get together, and then this one. So just so we know, because I don't know if they're balanced or whatever. We don't know what we're doing. You know what? I need a stand. I can't be dealing with this one-handed business mush. Oh, oh, oi! So that. And then now, this is the way the oil is stored, and then as it gets hot it comes out and grabs this. There is some resistance. There is some resistance in there still, but what I'm going to need to do is clean it all out with WD-40, I'm told is the best, and then we put it all back together with the new oil in. I don't know how much it takes, but apparently you just fill that reservoir. Nice. Hopefully it works, because if not, gotta buy the new one. So WD-40 supposedly helps thin it down, and then it pulls it off, but it doesn't dry it out, still like a liquid, whereas brake fluid, brake cleaner, might dry it out and damage some seals, which we definitely don't want to do. Who's out there? So then now you leave that to pour it in. See how nice and thin it is now? Nice. How thin that is now. They're all nice and clean. Cleaned out, you can hear them now. So the bearing should be nice and good still. And this is what I've gone for. They do advise it. It's like a 5,000 weight. This is called silicon oil. I don't know the right, wrong. So I don't know. Oh. So this is it. World class for world champions. World champions. Kyosho, that's the brand you should be looking for. Silicon oil. Now in the video he says to fill up this area, and I'm just going to put a few dabs in here so it's not completely dry. But other than that, I have no idea. Okay? So. Oh, see how thick it is. Now he just filled this. This side must be the reservoir. It's thick, eh?
You probably use the full bottle, wouldn't that be?
Probably. I think he ordered two, but I don't think he used two. That's it. We're getting there now, boys. See, I'm going to just drop a bit in here, bit in there, just so it's not dry. Never want to put it in dry, boys. You see, so there's a bit left. I might just put it all in for good luck, so I'm never going to use it again. So literally the whole thing, I put the whole thing in and it was done. So that's it. Just primed it a little bit, and then I'm going to put the seal back in, bolt it together, and then hopefully it will work. And if it does, that has just changed all of our lives. So everyone with a chaser, a Sora, a 2JZ, maybe, I don't know, whatever's got this clutch style fan, Toyota wise, I've now changed your life. Thank me later, or just like the video, or put in a comment saying, cheers guys, thank you. No problem. How about that? Look at the resistance on that now. Who would have thought? I had no idea. Accidentally come across a video and I thought that might be useful for us, 1J brothers. And now here we are. It's all back together. Seal's back in there. That's it. Get it a bit clean as well. It's a bit dirty, but nothing I can do. I'm going to get that back on. Then I best start getting it back together because I've got to get this car in tonight. But yeah, I hope that was alright for you. I hope you enjoyed that. This is probably going to be towards the end of the video because it's definitely long enough. I am going to continue with the install and all that, but I thought that would be a key ingredient for you. But if you haven't already, don't forget to like, because that was definitely worth it. I'm not going to lie. Like, that was a good little find. I'm bigging myself up, I don't even know it works. Well, things escalated. As you can see, there was things I wasn't happy with. The aircon was still in it, even though the aircon was broke. The fans broke there. The pipe was cut. Was never going to do anything. It was reducing flow. Then the intercooler was just resting on top. These were bent over. Not happy with that, so I've decided I'm going to make more brackets afterwards. The intercooler was rubbing on the body. This area here, so I need to trim that out. It had cruise control, but it doesn't have cruise control because it's now manual. So I got rid of all the cruise control stuff, tidied some stuff up in the bay. Does anyone know what this is? I don't even know what that is. I have no idea. No idea at all. But yeah, so all the aircon stuff's out. I'm going to get the headlights polished. I'm going to drop them to Cuspec detailing tomorrow. He doesn't know yet, but cheers, brother. Let me just putting stuff back together. So I'll put the clutch fan back on. They were 4 12mm. And this is the stock fan cowling. Put the sensor back in here. Put the one in there. Now, I use PTFE tape. Just nice little, like this. Just on the thread. I don't like leaks. I like doing it once and moving on. So don't hate, but at the same time it's good. Just putting the brackets on now. A couple of 12s, and I'll put that on. Busy day, yeah. Keep that as a spare. Never know. Ooh. So what I've done is I've just trimmed this a bit more. I don't know if you could see in the other video, but the intercooler pipe was actually rubbing on it. There, see there? And it's actually rubbed through before where somebody's welded it. Look at that mess. So I've just tried to sort that out. One of the silicon couplers, this one here, has actually got a hole in it there. So it's losing boost. So I need to order some silicon couplers. I've just got to measure them because they're a mixture of like 2.5, 2.25, maybe 3. I've managed to get some clamps, but it started to rain. Good old British weather. Oh no, it's on the screen. Well, that's it. So I'm going to pull the car inside now. Don't know if it's actually going to start because there's no intercooler on. Maybe, don't know. But I'm going to tidy this up quickly. And I might leave it there. And I might tune with you tomorrow. Alright. Yeah. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers for coming.